Mario Kart. Mario Kart. Whee! Ooh, a shell. Yes, I hit the bow bow.
Hey, where's Mario? I'm gonna go to
Okay.
Hey Mario,
What?
what are you playing?
Mario Kart 8.
Hey, you're supposed to be in the pool with us.
Oh yeah, Mario, you're missing out on the pool. Go to Vanilla's pool.
Alright, I'll play. I'll go.
And Chippy says he wants to come.
Okay.
Come, Mario, you gotta come here quick. Also, shut off your Wii. You're already 12th place.
Okay.
Mario,
I turned
you're
it off.
already 12th place.
Man, I turned it off. Look. Wee. Oh, yeah.
Get to the deep end.
from me.
Hey, Sonic, join us.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
I'm not wanting to. Ah.
I want to try that too.
Hey! Yes! Oh yeah! This is the best fun! Oh yeah! Ever! And it's nice and cool!
Tails, don't do that.
Why did Sonic say that?
A chili dog. That's awesome.
Why'd you make Sonic say that?
Yeah, I don't know how to swim.
Oh no! No! I guess we. I must get it, ball!
Oh my god, it's the best pool party. Hey Vanilla, how do you get all this stuff? No, I get my shades up, but hey, where did the music go?
Tails, shut up. Something's about to happen.
Oh, okay.
Ah. Why did the music just stop so just unevenly? That was the worst ending.
Yeah, Vanilla, what happened to the music?
Well, I have to fix the speakers.
Okay.
This is not good when the music stops. It doesn't feel like a normal pool party. I'm getting out.
No. Yay! I'm getting out too.
Wait, the music's coming back. I'm gonna go back in.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
Oh yeah. Oh, it's cold.
Ah, it's cold. I'm trying to stay dry. How dare you?
I don't want
Hey. Hey, why is there no slide? I want a slide! I want a slide! Oh, it's right here. Whee! Oh yes. Hey!
Oh no, Chippy's bringing the big guns!
I wanna go on the slide too!
Hey, Shadow, do you want this?
The heck is that?
I'll take that too. It's a gun.
A gun!
It's gun.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Oh, I want it. Give me it.
No, get your
Give
own.
me.
I have it in the garage. Shadow, if you want your own gun, get it from the garage.
I'm
It's a
gonna go
bigger
get
one.
it. What? I want some Nerf guns. Hey guys, after we're done with the pool party, let's do a Nerf gun fight. Would that be nice?
Yeah, but I only got 2 Nerf guns.
It doesn't matter between you and... Ah! That hurt my little nose! Owie! Ow! They go help!
You little baby. And Knuckles is just Nerf bullets. Ow! What was that for? It did nothing to you. Ow. Oh, I did a flip. That's cool. Please, no. Wait. Did you have any ammo? Oh my god!
Now let me just get it loaded.
Can I load mine up too?
I'm just gonna load
Sonic?
Yeah, what do?
That's big.
Want me to shoot?
Sure. Shoot. I dare you to
I'm gonna
shoot.
shoot you guys.
I dare you to shoot Tail for a billion rings.
Oh my god, no, I'm not hurting him.
Wait. Please.
Don't kill him.
I'm back. Please don't shoot me. That hurts. What about Eggy?
No! Don't shoot! Ow! Stop shooting us with Nerf guns.
Let me get the music on.
I haven't loaded it.
Twice.
Alright, got it loaded.
Where
Alright, guys.
Why am I under?
Where should I shoot?
Shoot Eggy first.
Huh?
Shoot Eggy first.
Eggman, you better swim away.
Wait, what the?
I got the big guns.
Oh, it's even bigger. Show the viewers.
I got that actual gun. Don't put me in the water. I got the big guns. I'll shoot you first. No. If you shoot me, I'll shoot you.
Ow! What was that for? Wait, that's your 2 out of 10?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Shut. Hang on. Where's Mr. Hoya? Crap.
Wait, where is he?
Crap. He's coming. He's coming. I gotta hide. Here, right? I hit it the deep end. Here, can you? Guys, can you? Silver. Silver. Can you?
Hey, you.
Silver. Silver. Can you give me bullets? Okay. Thanks. All right. Now time for the big.
Wait, don't shoot me.
Want me to shoot?
I want you to shoot Mario.
Oh crap!
Because he was late to the party.
Yeah, Mario. Gonna shoot you. You're late to the party.
Chippy's
Mario.
only 1 year old. Chippy's only 1 year old.
Mario, come closer.
No.
I'm gonna have to shoot you because you're late for the party, and we've been just sitting here without anything. All right. Let's get. Oh yeah. All right, Mario, you better swim away.
Hold on. Let me put them nice and clear.
Don't be gross. Chippy, what the heck is with you?
Where?
A whirlpool.
Where?
Ow.
I like splash. Hey!
Hey, I'm gonna shoot the water. Guys, I'm gonna shoot the water. It's gonna make a big wave.
Hey, what happened to my gun?
Oh yeah.
What happened to my gun?
And shooting the water again.
What happened to my gun? What happened to my gun?
Hang on,
Where's Shadow? Guys, where's Shadow? Hey, what's this big toy?
I was just eating my coffee
Hey,
beans.
Shadow, what's this big toy?
That's a Nerf gun.
Yay.
Yeah, that's a Nerf gun.
What does it do?
Wait, that's my Nerf gun. Wait, where's my big old Nerf gun? Oh, those are my Nerf guns.
Sonic's messing around with it.
Hey, give me back my Nerf
Sonic's
gun.
messing around with your Nerf gun. But Shadow, actually, Vanilla actually bought these 2 Nerf guns for me and you to have a Nerf fight.
Really?
All right.
Yeah, Vanilla said.
All right. Hey, want to see me do my ballet on water?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Do it.
Coming around at the speed of sound.
That's the worst song. That's the worst song.
Stop. Fine.
Fine. Sing it again.
Okay, I won't sing.
Uh-oh. Shadow, the animals, they're coming.
Oh no.
They're gonna get kicked.
The animals are coming.
Now, get out of the way. They're gonna get kicked.
Shadow's kicking the animals.
Okay.
Shadow's hurting the animals.
Okay, I'm leaving.
All right. Who else wants to do ballet on water?
Mary.
Do it. Do it then. Just don't sing the worst song ever.
Okay, if I could. I want to do the
Ow.
Alright.
At least I could steal all these animals.
Yeah.
Hey, Eggman, leave.
No. All right. It's getting kind of boring.
Wait, there's one last song Vanilla said she was gonna play.
Let's do a Nerf gun war.
Nerf gun war. Oh yes.
Alright, guys.
Let's do this out of the pool.
Okay.
All right.
Take the tape.
All right. Let me just. All right.
Alright, now are you ready? Yeah. With the ultimate war?
Hang on.
Are you ready?
It was me versus Tails.
Yeah, Chippy.
Chippy.
You're not a Sonic character, you're just a plushie. Well, animal. So are you too.
Come on. I want to do this.
Fine, I'm gonna shoot you,
Can
Chippy.
I get the little pew pew? I want to get the little pew pew.
I wanna get down with the pee already.
Oh yeah.
Are you ready?
Fine. Okay. All right, guys, move. Get out of the way.
Alright. Eggy, what are you doing over there?
Nothing.
Oh, whatever. I'm gonna shoot.
What are we?
Son.
Ooh, let's shoot.
That was you. That was you.
Okay.
Here.
I shot. All right.
We're supposed to restart it. Eggy, what are you doing on top of that
Let me get my
Chippy?
thing loaded.
Let's see how it your times it is.
All right. Oh,
What
gee.
the? It's
Here.
at 4.
That's crazy. That is crazy. Even
Wait.
on camera too. That's crazy.
Wait, what? Most of the time I use it only shoots 2. What?
Tails, are we gonna start the war?
It went under.
Ah, I don't like that.
He's gonna go back into his. All right.
All right, Tails, are we ready?
Wait, I'm missing
Got
a.
the little
Wait, am
pew-pew.
I missing a bullet?
Tails.
No, not yet. Oh, here's a bullet. Not yet. I'm not ready. We have to be fully loaded. Quickly test how yours goes. All right.
I'm gonna test it. How? I need to get it loaded. There, it's loaded.
Test.
Now, there, it hit the
Oh,
wall.
that's fast.
Yeah, I know, right? All right, let's
All
start.
right.
3, 2, I need to get loaded. Hang on, wait, Tails.
Go!
Don't shoot
Oh
me.
no! It's time to
I'm
go.
gonna shoot you.
No. Go back. Move all the way over here. All right. 3, 2, 1. It's kind of heavy. Here, let's just lay down and watch ourselves do it.
All right.
Hey, you can't be blocking.
All right, Tails.
I'm gonna shoot you.
I shot you, Tails.
Sonic, stop! Sonic, you're cheating! You're too fast!
Sonic! Yes, I am. You do it until you're out of bullets. Get your butts over here right now. Under bullets. All right, that's it for me. Sonic!
All right.
Sonic! All right. When are we gonna start?
Wait, it's Eggman versus Shadow Sonic.
Oh yeah. So come on, guys, start it.
Let me get some bullets.
It's time for starting it.
There, I
Yeah, that's good.
3, 6, 2. Yeah.
Yeah, it is 8. All right.
All right. Now, let's get ready with it. All right.
All right, guys. I'm gonna tell you guys when to start. All right.
All right. And so that just video that just goes like 3, 2, 1, start.
3. All right, guys.
Did you guys call that a Nerf war?
Get your Nerf guns ready.
All right. I'm ready.
All right. Come on. No.
Eggman.
Eggman, are you ready, or he's gonna shoot
Are
you?
you gonna get ready or not? Are you ready or not?
Come on.
Come on, we can't just wait all day for you. You're such a slow punk.
Oh yeah. Come on. Diane,
My dad could turn off your power supply. Remember, you were created by my dad, so he can kill you. But your dad's dead. No, he's not. Yes, he is. He actually never got executed. I love being dead. Come on, he woke me up.
Shadow.
His dad actually got executed.
Ugh. Come on, are we just gonna start here, or are we going just to sit here?
I don't know.
Are we gonna sit here literally just... Are we gonna sit here and just come arguing?
Your dad's dead. He can't do anything to me.
No, he never got
3,
executed.
2,
Stop talking about it.
No.
That's right. Careful where you shoot.
What the? I lost my llama. Everyone, just keep reusing the ones you got from the floor. I ran out of bullets. Had to refill.
Don't shoot the bullets at the wall. Except for the black wall, that's it.
No.
Or it's gonna bounce off and then go somewhere where we can't find it.
I will shoot anywhere I want. You can't tell me what to do. No one can tell me what to do.
Come on.
Hey, I'm ready. Get those 2 bullets now from me.
Here.
Fine, I'll get this one. No, it went under. Oh, crap.
Let's get it.
I got it. You can't show your try, can't it? Whoever. Ah! Hey, you can't be hitting. You can't be smacking Nerf guns. You have to just play by distance, you know.
I dropped it. Pick it up. Careful.
Oh, you're such a misser.
You're a misser.
You can't call me that.
Yes. Careful where you shoot.
You can't zip my mouth. Well, you can't either.
You have to be very careful where you shoot, Shadow.
Ah, you can't attack Nerf guns.
They're not swords.
Oh, yeah, they're not even swords.
Hang on. Hey. No, wait. Get your bullets.
Okay, let's see. This is the last round, right?
Yeah. Careful where you shoot. Soon you're out of bullets, that's it.
This is Nerf gun war. Well, turf, yeah. Nerf gun turf. You can't be too close to my gun. Oh no, I ran out of ammo.
That's it then. Eggman won then because he has the most bullets.
Shoot him. Now it's time for Knuckles versus Silver. See you next, bye.
All right, now are you guys ready?
No.
Hey, this is heavy. Knuckles, come in the shot. Come in. Get in. You're not in the shot. All right. Whoever loses all their ammo loses, okay? So
I dropped my gun.
okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
It's so
Pew!
heavy.
I'm already down with the pew, so are you? Shoot!
Where are you shooting?
Shoot now! It's time to war.
Shoot this thing.
You hit the trigger. It's like this. You tuck this in, and then you shoot.
So
Oh, all right.
I teleported before you can reach me.
Wait. Okay.
Well, I'm gonna give you a big beating.
Oh crap, I dropped it.
I'm gonna shoot you. Wait, shoot Eggman for a target. Shoot him. I'm not a target. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Shoot Eggman. Wait. Knuckles, shoot Eggman.
Shoot it. You cannot be reloading ammo. Only the 3 rounds.
Yeah, you can't.
Hey, shoot the egg then.
No, don't shoot me. Stop.
You
Ow.
can't reload your ammo. That's against the rule. You can't reload it. Because that's who we can tell who's out. Because if you lose all your ammo, you're out. When I say you lost, ha! And the person with the most ammo still wins. Okay, shooting Knuckles.
Ow!
Ha! Oh no! What the? Wait! No!
I won! I won!
You saw bullets? All right, Silver lost. All right, the winners. Let's get the winners then.
Me!
The winners compete.
Eggman and Tails are the winners. Come up, winners! No!
All right, now I'm ready.
Okay, guys.
Okay, grab our bullets then.
Also, don't shoot me. Don't shoot
That's 4. I need 4 more. That's
One
7.
round. 2 rounds.
Me versus Knuckles, and then whoever's the winner of that has to be Eggy, and then
You
whoever's
get
the winner
2
of that is a true
You
winner.
get 2 rounds of bullets.
Okay, 2 rounds of bullets. Okay.
Which tells you have enough for 2 rounds.
Getting seen. All right.
Chippy, come on.
Wait, I thought I was versing Knuckles. Chippy never played.
What? What were you expecting? I'm the champion.
I'm here!
I'm the champion of Nerf, though.
No!
Yes, I am.
Whoever's the winner between me and Eggman and Tails, versus you, and then it'll be the true champion, weirdo.
Oh yeah, because there was only 3 winners. So I'm the extra winner. I'm gonna be.
What the?
Tails, come on. 3, 2, 1.
What?
Oh, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Don't shoot any of us. Just audience. Oh, the thing already entered. Aww.
Oh, wait, that means I should have started.
Come on, the thing started. Fine, I'm gonna play his choice place. Fine, if you're not gonna do it, I'm gonna do it.
Yes.
I wanna do it. Careful, Tails. If you shoot too much, you're gonna lose all your bullets.
And you won't be able to find them back.
Well, I don't care.
Hey, I'm gonna be the person who says start. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, that's
I'll go get the bullets.
Hey, you have all the bullets. Let me take some. You cheater. You have all the bullets. I have none. Fine, I'm gonna shoot your gun.
Where the heck could the bullet be? Ah! Why did you have to
I need
shoot
one
it, Chippy?
Chippy. This is round 2 right now, and I need 2 more. Oh, come on! This can't be the epic Nerf war. Fine.
I can't find the
I just
bullet.
shot Chippy, Eggy, and
You didn't
Silver.
shoot me.
Hey! Where the heck did the bullet go?
Bullet.
Use this back shot.
Backfired?
Yeah, backfired twice.
Well, now time to hit his gun.
How much bullets does he have?
Okay. I'm kind of exhausted. I think we should end that now. Bye, viewers. See you tomorrow or next month. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it takes us forever to think of a video idea. And also, please
Please subscribe because it will help us really much. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to see some more upcoming videos. Or else I will steal your money. Hickman, come on. Or else I'll steal your money. All right. Bye.